Hello and welcome back to Stories with Coach Sujata. I'm Sujata Singh, a corporate trainer and a leadership coach with more than 22 years of work experience. In this channel, you'll get to listen to various lessons for life that I have learned either in the corporate or in life in general. I also share some stories of value-based education, some soft skills tips, some training tips, vagera vagera. So this is a channel in which you can expect stories in 3 different languages: Telugu, Hindi and English. So with this, let's start with today's story, the last story of this year. This is the story of 2 neighbors. One neighbor is a shepherd. What he does for a living is he has sheep and lamb, and this is what he does for a living. Okay, he sells his sheep, his produce for meat and for wool. The other neighbor is a huntsman. So he hunts small animals and then he sells them for their hide and their meat. So as you would have it, these 2 neighbors were good friends. But then there was a major bone of contention between both of them. दोनों अच्छे दोस्त थे, लेकिन एक छोटी सी चीज़ ये थी जिसकी वजह से उनमें कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रहता था, उनमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स पैदा हुई थी. So for us to understand what this is, the hunter or the huntsman had a pack of wild dogs. These dogs were trained to kill. So he would use them, and that is what would give him his livelihood. They would help him hunt the produce that he would then go and sell in the market. Now the huntsman did not have a proper arrangement to contain these dogs in his farm. So they were very loosely guarded. So they were not provided with a very strong cage, and these dogs would go to neighboring farms and they would kill the produce there, or they would completely spoil the area around and do all of these things. Harmless mischief, but sometimes fatal. So one night, these dogs broke the fencing, went to the neighbor's place and killed some prized sheep, some very precious prized sheep. Now the farmer was very upset. The farmer who lost some of his best sheep was very upset, obviously. And he went and escalated this matter to the village chief. वो मुखिया के पास गए और उन्होंने कहा कि मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही है इनसे, मैं इस प्रॉब्लम को या इस इश्यू को मैं लीगल लेना चाहता हूँ. आई वॉन्ट टू गो टू कोर्ट. तब मुखिया ने कहा, एक चीज़ सोच लो तुम, हम कोर्ट जा सकते हैं. वी कैन टेक दिस मैटर लीगली. इनफैक्ट यू कैन फाइल, yes baby, you can file a police complaint, but what will happen is you will lose a friend. So think about it. Do you want to retain the friendship or make an enemy? So the shepherd thought deeply, and then he came back saying, sir, obviously I would like to retain my friendship. In fact, I would like to grow my relationship. But imagine my plight. Imagine मुझे इतनी सारी losses हो रही हैं इस दोस्त की वजह से, इन कुत्तों की वजह से. So that's when the chieftain gave him a brilliant idea, and the farmer went back, the shepherd went back, and the next morning he gifted 3 beautiful, prized, best of his produce, his 3 lambs, to the 3 children of the huntsman. So these 3 children were so thrilled with these sheep, and they started playing with the sheep. They started showing so much affection for the sheep, and automatically the huntsman started thinking of ways and means to protect these 3 sheep. And lo and behold, उन्होंने क्या किया? He built a very strong cage for his wild dogs. So with this very intelligent tip, or with this intelligent maneuver, the shepherd not just retained his friendship, but became even more of a trusted friend to the huntsman, because the huntsman got something that he didn't expect, and the relationship also was better because of it. So the moral, my friends, is you can catch more flies with honey than with vinegar. So, in order to keep the relationship, you may have to employ some ways and means. You may have to go above and beyond what you think are the limits of your relationship and test whether you are still able to retain that relationship. So, sometimes thinking of how precious a relationship is and working towards making it better can be very beneficial for you, can in fact make your relationship much stronger. So, again, you catch more flies with honey than with vinegar. So, all the very best for the new year 2021. Goodbye to 2020. And let's meet once again in Stories with Coach Sujata. Bye bye till then.